Ah, and what does the chicken man want? The chicken man wants justice, human liberation, inspiration, eternal appreciation. Bagak! The chicken man wants comfortable, sheer underwear that women appreciate, but men respect. The chicken man wants infinite season passes to fun activities. The chicken man wants to shine a light in the dark and make things better. The chicken man wants more fusion musicals with popular music and deep, important life lessons. The chicken man wants to make it rain. The chicken man wants to get really rich, making it rain, making other people rich. And sheer, comfortable underwear that women appreciate and men respect. A whip, probably more than one. And justice and human liberation and peace. And things resolved. That's what the chicken man's talking about today.